It's been a while. Alright, well, what is up, Achievers? How's everybody doing? It's been a while since I've made a video on YouTube, and I know I keep telling myself and you guys that I'll be consistent, but there's just so much work, and to be frank, I'm not really 100% Amazon seller. I do it in a part of my day, but in the rest half of my day I'm just a normal guy, just like all of those 9 to 5 folks. Well, it's actually 10 to 6 for me, so I am actually still having a full-time job at a company, at a tech company, and that takes a lot of my time and energy. But anyways guys, in this video I have a bunch of updates. Sorry for that. So in this video I have a bunch of update for you guys, and I'm gonna share what am I up to, what am I doing, and a little bit about what's Prime Day having in the house for you guys, if you're a seller or if you're a buyer, in both ways. So keep watching. Alright, well, before we begin the video, I just want to give a quick update about what's going on with me. If you have been following my channel from the day I started, I think I started last year sometime in August end or October. So if you have been following my channel, you know that I launched a product last year during Q4. It was a very difficult time, but I actually kind of made it happen, and it actually worked in my favor. So it was pretty good that way, pretty good a launch. But beyond that, I have been actually just selling that one product till today, and I am in the process of actually launching my next product within a week. It's already in the air somewhere. I don't even know where it is. It's actually it actually departed Hong Kong just a couple of days ago. It's the weekend, so I don't get any status updates. But yeah, I should have my product live within the next couple of days. And the good thing is that again, like, I did not really plan for this, but it happened to fall in a timeline when Prime Day is coming. So the good thing is that I'm actually gonna get a lot of free traffic on July 16th once my product is live. Now hopefully it just goes live without any issues. So once my product is live, I'm gonna get a lot of traffic. So my takeaway from this for you guys is that if you can kind of launch a product around some special holidays in USA or some special offerings from Amazon.com, it really helps you get a lot of traffic, a lot of cheap traffic, and bid a lot less on the keywords, because there are a lot of buyers coming into Amazon. So it's a really good time for you to launch product if Amazon is already attracting a lot of customers with a buyer intent to their platform. So that's the takeaway I would like to give it to you guys, because last time when I launched my product, it was actually Q4, and you know the traffic is rising in Q4 on a daily basis, and now I'm launching it just a little bit before Prime Day, so that I might be able to get a couple of reviews to start with, and then actually sell quite well with my testing segment or testing lot that I have actually put into Amazon for this second product. So without actually giving away the product, this product is actually again in the same brand that I'm already selling on Amazon. So I'm kind of targeting the same market, and yeah, I hope to cross promote them with each other, so that if a customer buys both of them, or you know, or probably if an old customer is buying them, I'm trying to shoot a mail out to all of my old customers, because it's the same target audience, through some email sequence service, so that I can kind of like make them aware that I'm launching this product. If you want this product, you can buy it at this X amount of discount with using this coupon. So I'm gonna try that. I don't know how will it work right now. I'm still figuring it out. In case I do figure it out, I am going to of course share it with you guys all for free on this channel. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification icon if you want to stay updated on that. So yeah, that was my product update about my second product, which is actually gonna be launching soon, and I will actually come back and update you guys about how did it go for me for the next few days. be after the Prime Day is over. I'm gonna come back and update you guys how did it go for me and the Prime Day numbers. I will show it to you on my computer screen, so you better stick around. Alright, well, that was an update about the next product that I'm launching, about my Amazon FBA business. Now I just want to talk about Prime Day a little bit. So on Prime Day, Amazon is actually attracting a lot of traffic, as you know it. So if you have a product which is already selling, if you're already selling a product, or if you're in a position somewhere like me where I'm actually in the process of launching a product just a few days before Prime Day, you're in a very good position. Now I want you to hear carefully. Alright, I want you to hear carefully and even take notes if you want, but just hear me out and then act on it if you really wanna take leverage of this time, of this opportunity given to you guys for free from Amazon. Alright, so most of the professional sellers, if you're a big seller out there, you might have actually cracked a lightning deal, which I heard from 𝐷𝗵𝐺𝐻's channel, that this time they're actually charging a lot more than what they used to charge. They're probably charging about, I believe, $750 just to participate in the lightning deal as a seller, which is a lot of money. So I personally did not even get the opportunity. I don't know why, although my account is a seasoned account. I've been selling for more than 3 years now, but still, like, I didn't even really care about bothering or contacting Amazon seller service to ask about why did I not get it, because I was pretty happy without it. Because let me tell you the secret. And the secret is, you gotta keep your ears open. You gotta keep your eyes open. You gotta be observant. The secret is that Amazon is having this event Prime Day, alright? And when Amazon has a sales event, or a event when there are lightning deals going on and there's discount, there's a ton of traffic that comes directly to Amazon with the intent to buy, especially on such days. And what I mean by that, and hear me carefully, what I mean by that is actually people are coming to Amazon on this special day just to freaking find items which they like, or which they think that is a good deal or at a good price, and then just go ahead and add to cart and buy before the deal is over, or before the discount, or before the inventory goes out of stock. So what you need to do as a seller, if you're selling a product or if you're launching a product, in both scenarios this will work for you. If you are selling on Amazon, alright, you need to really come in front of the customer. Now the way, how do you do it? There are two different ways. One, you can run ads outside of Amazon on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or somewhere else, and then tell people that you are kind of like a seller on Amazon. You're trying to sell this product, and if you target the right audience, they will come to Amazon and buy it, because you might be giving them a special discount on that particular day, even if you're not in the lightning deal. Or you can simply go to Amazon, your seller account, create a campaign. If you're not already selling, if you're not already running a campaign, create a campaign and just put in a lot of ad budget. Okay, put in a lot more of ad budget, but make sure, like, disclaimer that you must have an optimized listing. The images should be good, the heading should be good, your reviews of course should be good. Nobody wants to buy a filthy bad product, right? Alright, so you gotta do PPC, man. That's all you gotta do. That's the magic. Now, right now, I'm gonna give you the stat today. Right now, I'm actually doing about 15 units a day. Alright, 15 to 14 to 16, somewhere around that, and on an average about 15 units a day today on a daily basis for the last 7-8 days now. And I was actually doing a little less than that before on average, but now I'm doing about 15 units a day on a daily basis. And I'm hoping, now don't really judge me for this, but I'm hoping to actually crack 100 units on Prime Day without even participating in lightning deal. Now you might wonder, how would I do it? Right now I'm spending on average about $30 on a daily basis on my PPC campaigns on Amazon, manual and automatic combined. On Prime Day, or before, a couple of days before Prime Day, I'm gonna actually turn them up to a lot higher budgets than what I'm usually spending. So I might as well spend more than $200 on that, just on just one day, on that day, on 16th or maybe on 15th, just to boost my visibility on Amazon, so that a lot of people come to me and buy it. Now I'm gonna also optimize my listing for Prime Day. I'm just gonna talk to the customer through my listing or my images that I'm actually running a deal and you should actually go ahead and buy it before I raise my price again once the Prime Day is over. So that's the secret sauce. That's how you can crack it in Prime Day if you do not have a lightning deal. So make sure you run PPC. If you need any help, if you have any questions around that, whatever it is, I mean, what is the date today? I believe it's 9th today. There is still time. You can still figure it out. You can still optimize your listing. You can still find out the keywords that work for your listing, and you can still set up your campaigns. You've got ample amount of time, so make sure you do it. Make sure you take the opportunity. Make sure you do not miss this opportunity to make it big or maybe rank better. So another way you can help yourselves is actually reducing the price, putting and running some PPC campaigns, maybe making less profit per unit on Prime Day itself. But what will happen is that if you sell well on Prime Day, your rank's gonna come down, and in subsequent days, for a couple of days or maybe a week, if you keep selling, if you really push through on Prime Day, you will sell well throughout the rest of the week following the Prime Day. So you can make a lot of money back over there. And to be very frank, you can also make a lot of money on Prime Day if you're really in a good place already. So make sure you do it. You can see me sweating. Actually, I have to turn all the fans off, the AC off, so that the audio on the camera, in the video in YouTube is not distorted, so that you guys can really get all the information that I'm giving you. So guys, this is how you hustle. So yeah, that's all for this video. I'll probably be posting another video tomorrow or in the future, and especially I will be posting the video once the Prime Day is over, talking about how did it go for me, what did I do, and the complete analysis with numbers and everything, right? Alright guys, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. Thanks for sticking out to my channel. Those who know me and those who keep coming back to my channel, I really appreciate you guys always. And make sure you hit the like button. It really helps. If you have any questions, comment down below. I will personally answer them as soon as possible, within a couple of hours. I promise you that. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing, because I'm gonna throw out a lot of value, lots of value in the near future. All right, see you then. Ta-da.